Let's together hear the first part of the sloka. Gita, Adhyay 4, sloka.
यदा हि धर्म
यदा हि धर्मस्य
It represents the positive. Now, second part of the first line of the sloka.
ग्लानिर्भवति भारत
ग्लानिर्भवति भारत
Glanir Bhavati Bharata is a negative result. How it's possible? Condition is positive, but result is negative. Now come to the second line, first part of the sloka.
अभ्युत्थानम धर्मस्य
अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य
अभ्युत्थानम धर्मस्य
अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य
Advuthyanam adharmasya. It means adharmasya is a negative word and advuthyanam means arise. It's a negative sense, reason. At least we can understand that. Now come to the last part of the sloka.
तदात्मानं सृजामि
आत्मानं सृजाम्यहम्
If we take Sri Krishna as a positive character, then result is positive. We can say that. But reason is negative, and how the positive thing comes. So I just cut down A from adharmasya of first part of second line and put that A in front of dharmasya in the sloka first part A of the first line. Now the sloka becomes like yada yada hi adharmasya glanir bharata advuthyanam dharmasya tadatmanam srijanyaham. I think now this sloka works for the dharmasya of Bharata as well as for the world. Now this corrected sloka sound like yada yada hi adharmasya glanir bhavati bharata adbhutyanam dharmasya tadatmanam srijanyaham. Sorry guys, this corrected sloka you have to hear from me. I know very well I don't have the good voice, so apologies from my side. But I am sure and challenge all the scholars of Bharat as well as of the world on the discussion of the sloka. All the credits goes to the eyes of Bhagavati for showing me the absolute blunder done by some devil-minded people and carried by huge number of coward people. Thank you Bhagavati. Sorry, I just forgot to introduce myself. I am Sandeep Singh Chauhan, 25th updated generation of Raja Prithviraj Chauhan, 16th updated generation of Raja Bhojraj from Mainpuri UP Bharat, and 7th updated generation of Raja Dalel Singh from Mainpuri UP Bharat. Sandeep Singh Chauhan, the endless fire, the raw energy, courage and conflicts of the fire. Son of late Renu Rani Singh, grandson of late Sudhir Chandra Singh, Devipur, Ratua, Malda, West Bengal, Bharat from father side. Grandson of late Mohan Prasad Singh, Bhandarban, Bhagalpur, Bihar, Bharat. Nephew of late Prashant Singh, ex-Indian Army, belongs from Chandel Rajput clan. So, I never need anyone's permission for correcting anything which is good for my Bharat as well as for my. Now is the time for the upgraded sloka of my next series of Mahabharata, where the character is not important, only knowledge will be, with 4.7 and 4.8 upgraded sloka. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata adbhutyanam dharmasya tadatmanam srijanyaham. परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाच दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. Thank you. Thank you all. Love you all. Hello physics and maths. Maybe in the near future you have to add one more terms. IP. The inverse pi equal the value of inverse pi is 0.3 recurring 1 recurring 8. Thank you. My humble request to all the fellow Royal Mechanical Engineers around the globe. If you find it logical, then share it and pin it. If you found any problem to pin, just inbox me. I am free to help. During my college days of Royal Mechanical Engineering, I heard from the seniors there must be a fire in a Royal Mechanical Engineer. And one more line close to my heart. We are Royal Mechanical Engineers. We move the world. If anyone from the others want to do so, are also free to do so. Thank you.